shiny! This tractor is best! Oh no! Little bird stuck! Mro? Parrot need help! Must go! Wee-oo! Wee-oo! Meow? Tractor ready! Cage 2! We go, Muffin! Rescue! Meow!
Whoa! Bumpy road! Max clever!
Go, go, go! Parrot waits! Here! Oh, poor bird! Hold on, little bird. Max coming. Come, little bird. Safe in here.
Hey! Bad monkey!
My parrot! No take.
Hiss! Safe now, little friend. Safe. Home, Muffin. Good work. Good day, Muffin. Good day.
Meow! Whee! What a bright day, Muffin! So many interesting smells.
Oh no! What's this? A little friend in trouble. Too far. Too slippery. Oh, little piglet, don't worry. Max will help.
Mro?
Too deep to jump. Too slippery to pull.
Need a longer arm. A stronger arm.
Muffin, stay here, okay? I'll be right back with the big scooper. Tricky levers. Left? No, right. Whoa! It moves. Just needs more steering.
Mro?
Almost there, little piglet. Max is coming. Almost. Just a little more.
Okay, Max, focus. Slow and steady, like the coconut milk.
Yay! Up, up, and away! Almost there, little friend. Safe and sound. See? Max always finds a way.
He's safe now, Muffin. All thanks to Max and my trusty scooper.
A little treat for our brave friend. Max's special coconut milk.
Good for you, little one. So strong, so brave.
Feeling better now? That's my brave little piglet.
Chitter.
Purr. Good team, Muffin. Max and Muffin, best rescuers ever.